Hello, this is Nessa, the owner of Cosmic Spa. How may I assist you on this lovely day, darling? Oh dear, sounds like you're in need of some relaxation, cutie. Right now, there are a few rooms open for you. I'll even reserve a special room for you if you need. Think of this as a one-time offer. Sounds good. I hope to see you soon then. My, don't you look like a lost puppy? Poor thing, it looks like you could just collapse from a small gust of wind. Are you the person I spoke to on the phone? Aren't you so precious? That blush suits you quite perfectly. No need to be bashful. You may look for as long as you want. I am quite the beauty to behold, aren't I? Why, thank you, dear. My beautiful is mostly thanks to my divine origin. Yeah, darling. I am the cosmic goddess. Goddess of the stars, mother of constellations, and bringer of life to many planets like yours. Well, I could go more into detail, but that's not why you're here. You came to relax and distress after many exhausting days. So why don't I lead you to your spa room for this lovely day? Welcome to your slice of paradise, cutie. Feel free to ask for anything you need to relax. Anything at all. I could give you a massage, help you wash your body in the pool, or just cuddle you for a while. Don't worry. You'll change in the private room, then let me know when you're in the tub. But we can start with whatever makes you feel most comfortable first. So tell me, what would help you unwind tonight? What would I recommend? Well, judging by those dark shades under your eyes and your aching bones, I'd suggest we start with a soak in our hot springs. Then I'll give you a full body massage, and we'll end the spa with some cuddles. How does that sound, cutie? Perfect. Come with me then. The hot springs are just down the hall. Here we are, darling. Pick any spring you'd like. We have this place all to ourselves. Of course, I mean ourselves. I'm going to relax in the water with you. Of course I'm joining you. A goddess needs to relax as well, right? No, but don't need to be worried. I promise not to stare while you change. Though feel free to take a look or two at the divine being I am. Oh my, you like what you see, darling? My divine body on full display for your eyes only. Oh, aren't you adorable with that blushing? Although I'm not the only one here that's this beautiful, you are very lovely to look at as well. Alright. Let's enjoy the hot springs now. Allow me to enter before you, then you can sit on my lap and lean back. This evening is about comforting and relaxing you after all. That's it. Relax into the water, cutie. Just smell. Just sink and relax now. You are safe here, little one. I got you, and I'm not letting you go. Shh. You're so tense for so many days of stress and exhaustion. It's okay to let it all go. I am here to care for you. First, I'm going to wash your hair. Lean into me, honey. Shh. Just let me wash your hair and help you relax. Just feel my fingers caressing your hair and massaging your scalp. Just breathe for me. Relax into my touch. It warms my heart to see you relax so much already. Close your eyes if you need to while I wash your hair. That's it. Breathe deeply and calm your mind. Just a little bit longer. Feel my hands continue to wash your hair. I can feel you relaxing. Not much for now, but enough. It's getting better with the massages and cuddles. There, all cleaned up and relaxed. Time to get out, dear. And I won't look, I promise. Unless you want me to see. Honey, I'm an ancient cosmic dragon goddess. I've literally seen everything. Cute butt. Okay, you can turn around now and see me. I'm fully dressed. No need to be so bashful. A goddess's body is made to be worshipped and seen in awe. But really, I'm dressed and, more importantly, ready for you to relax even more. Take my hand. It's time. I will give you a massage. You still look like you need one. Then we'll cuddle for the rest of the night. Here we are. This is where you'll stay tonight. Well, we're in the spa. This place is more comfortable than home. You don't have to stay if you don't want to. You're more than able to leave and go back home. Good. I'm happy that you want to stay the night and relax here. Now, lay on the bed face down, cutie. Time for me to give you the best massage you've ever had. Lean into my touch, honey. Let your body relax into this massage. Breathe deeply and slowly. You have so many knots. Let me untangle them for you. You're doing so well for me, darling. I bet you haven't had a massage like this in a very good long while. What a shame. You have such a gorgeous body that deserves to be pampered and worshipped. Just a little bit longer, then I'll get you to roll over for me. That's it. You're doing so good for me, darling. Let all the tension melt from your body and relax. Keep breathing deeply for me, huh? Come here. Rest your head on my lap now. We're not done with your massage yet. I still need to care for the rest of your body. Good. Such a good human for me. Just breathe and melt into me, cutie. Gosh, you have quite the body. So soft and warm to my touch. I could just touch you and hold you forever. No, you want to be held now? Alright, just a little while longer while you're massaged. Then I'll hold you close until you fall asleep. Oh, sweetie, of course you can sleep here. I encourage it. Comfortable, dear? Good. Lean into me now. Let me hold you. There you are, all snug in my arms, safe and sound. Shh. I got you now, sweetheart, and I'm not letting go. Close your eyes if you need to. Just let me give you the sweetest dreams. My sweetheart, my beautiful darling, let me help you dream of the stars as you sleep. I promise to keep you safe as you are and as you rest, and hold you as you dream. Good night, dear. Thank you for letting me pamper you to perfection. May you have the sweetest dreams as the stars watch over you.